What's for a picture, Mr. Peep?
There's one. Standard Peep. This big. This is my hand. Okay, put it in.
30.
Going into the microwave for 40 seconds.
30?
Okay, put it in for 30.
Hey.
3 minutes.
Oh. One.
Close the door.
Add 30 seconds?
Yep. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. Hello! Hello! Hello!
You ate too much.
Oh. That's one big peep. That's it. That's as big as you're getting. Okay. And here we are. Excellent.
Mr. Peep.
Put him down.
I ate too much for Christmas.
No. Same peep. Man, he doubled in size. Okay.
Say bye-bye, Peep.
Bye-bye, Daisy.
Look at all that.
You gonna wait?